Okay, so this is the West Towers, so I'm making my trek over to the East Towers, so you'll get to see my trek. As you can see, lots of snow. And I'm walking in and it's hitting my face like it's nobody's business. I don't know if you can see it on the screen or not, and hopefully I won't trip and fall. The sad thing is, I think up under here, it's not really snow, it's like slush. And now I have to walk backwards because it's coming down so fast that I cannot, I don't know if you can see, it's about as wide as I can go, but I don't know if you can see like on the windows. Let me see if I can show you, or on the wall, how it's stuck to the wall. That's not normal. It's never done that before. And I'm still trying to make my way over to the east. And I don't know if you can see the ground. Yes. You said what? The what?
Are you recording this?
Huh?
Are you recording this?
Yeah, I'm recording it now.
That's crazy.
I'm recording. I'm gonna show it to my brother.
That's just insane.
Yeah, this is insane. See ya. You're from Florida. You don't know any better. Okay, and here is the security coordinator that is with her boyfriend, and they're taking pictures. I know the clothes they had on, they won't be on YouTube, and they're still on YouTube. They're still going to be on YouTube, and they're slowly taking fucking pictures out in the fucking cold. See? Insane. They're taking pictures out in the snow. My fat ass is going back over to the dorm because it keeps getting in my fucking face.
Crazy black folk!
Yeah.
Never seen snow in a lot.
They're from Jamaica and Brazil. They've never seen snow like this. Okay. So I have finally made my trek back over to the east. So, when I get to my room, I am going to record from my window. Alright, out for now.